So here we are in the dance floor, ready to work on this beautiful figure.
We're going to show you first this contraboleo, contraboleo, and technique to make it happen.
So right away, we're going to show you the figure and very important tips. Stay until the end because we have some bonus tips. So here we go. 8, 8, contra, boleo, and 1 and 2.
So, tip for the leaders?
Yes. So here's the thing. Leaders, when we are doing this figure, let's start up with just a backward 8. You already know how to do backward 8s. If you are watching Contraboleos, you should know how to do 8s. Now from here, when we are leading this, we are going to do two things. One is that we should change body weight to the left. As we transfer, we are going to rotate her. So that's point number 1, and that's how the boleo will be produced. The other thing, and very important, is that we should pull from the left, creating a circle outside her. Sorry, pulling with the right, not with the left. So here's the thing. Changing to the left and pulling with the right arm. That will keep her in axis. After that, we can bring her into the cruzada, shift body weight, and a normal resolution. But for the leaders, that is very, very important. Why I'm saying this is because the most common, just the contraboleo, the most common problem for the leader is that the leader do not pull from the right and only transfers to the left. Look, 1. And that will make her suffer. So transfer and pull. Zatan, tatan. That'll be much easier pulling around.
Yeah, I feel like stretching. Very, very nice. And you are in the center. Now, for the followers, when you are receiving the lead for contraboleo, contraboleo, you will feel, okay, 8, 8. You will feel the rotation on your left, followers. When you are sending the leg, you will see how he's approaching around on your right side. So you have to be able to disassociate, face him with the upper body, torso, but don't unwind the leg. Keep the leg, the left leg of boleo leg on the back. Don't follow this move with your hips. Don't anticipate the move with your hips.
Yes.
Try to keep the leg in position and follow him with your torso only. That will bring you to this point. Let me do just the contraboleo, rotating. When I have my leg here, I feel this. I disassociate, then I do the boleo, contraboleo, and later I will go to the next position. So this delay on your move, on your upper body, compared with the legs, will produce the contraboleo. Why I do that? Because what he was explaining, we are receiving the lead to around on our left. Still I'm receiving the lead lifting on my left side while he's approaching on my right side. So I receive 2 leads. One is on my left, one is on my right. This is for my leg later, going to the cross or going to the next position. So be expanding, feel both leads, and keep the leg on your own timing for boleo. Don't rush your hips, because if you rush a move and align the hips with the upper body and move in one piece, then you are not going to be able to do any boleo, especially counter boleos.
So now, before we are going to show you from the other side, but before that, I would like to mention that we have a complete course in boleos and contraboleos. What is the difference between one and the other, different combinations, technique for followers, technique for leaders. Check that out at miriamleonardotango.com, boleos versus contraboleos. So,
nice.
Here's the thing. We're going to do the 8s. 1, 8, 8. Slow motion so you can follow us. Rotate, start transferring, start pulling with the right. Zoom, pam, pam. Here she's not ready, so we need to change to the right and re-embrace. Look, 1. She still is not ready. We need to pull a little extra. Change her body weight and then resolution.
Let's try one more time.
Sure.
That for the followers. So I'm going to the 8s, rotating, rotating. into the lead for voleo. See, I feel all the lead for voleo on my left side. When I send the leg, without closing this area, he will rotate, and we encounter the leg with the hands. From here, this is the voleo, and then I go front, in this case, to re-embrace and resolution, back, side, and feet together.